How's it going, people? Do you not know what to cook for Lent or fasting seasons or fasting days? Well, I'm going to help you out. I'm going to show you a black bean soup recipe that's pretty good. So, I'm enjoying some of it now, and it's cheap. A lot of people worry about breaking the bank during Lent. Well, that is not an issue you need to be worried about. You need some black beans, two can of dried black beans, 2 cans of vegetable broth, and a can of tomato paste. You will also need a blender, and of course, you need a stove and water, and you'll probably want something to season your food with. I just used a little bit of chili powder. So what you're going to do is you're going to get 1 pound of dried black beans. You're going to get 6 to 8 cups of water, and you're going to bring it to a strong rolling boil. You're going to put your black beans in there, and you're going to stir them around for about 3 minutes. Then you're going to turn the heat down to a medium level, and you're going to let it cook for about 2 hours. And maybe every 10 to 20 minutes you can stir the pot. Now, when that time is over, you should have good black beans that are not rough or chewy, but just you can eat normally without thinking this tastes like it used to be dry. All right. When you're done with that, you're going to strain the beans. Then put the beans back into the pot and put 2 cans of this vegetable broth in there. And let that cook for about 30 minutes to an hour. Get the beans even more soft, because you're going to need them to be really soft when you run them through your blender. Take about maybe 4 cups of beans with the broth. It doesn't make a big difference. You're not baking. You don't need to be super exact. But yeah, take that and then blend it. And put it back. When you're done blending it, put it back in the pot with the rest of the other beans. You're going to have a soup that's way too thin. It'll be like the thinness of water with some beans in it. And you're not going to want that. That's just not good. So take a can of tomato paste and stir it in there. And you'll get something with this texture. Not too thick, not too light. Now let's talk about money. This is $1.89, and you'll get about 1,300 calories out of this. This is 59 cents, and you'll get 10 calories out of this. And this is about 40 cents. So let's add those numbers up. Okay. $1.89 plus, I'm going to round this up to 60 cents. 1.2 for each of those, 2 of those. And then I think this is about 40 cents. Okay, $3.49 or $3.49. Now you can also add some olive oil or canola oil in there. Certain times during Lent you are allowed olive oil. And if you're not super strict, you can have canola oil every day. Some people think when the cans say olive oil, that means all types of oil. Personally, I don't think that, but I'm not going to step on your style. If you want to go all the way, do it. You do not need oil for this recipe. Okay, $3.49 for 1,300 plus 10 calories. And this has about 130 calories in it. That's 1,440 calories. And that's about half a day's worth of calories if you're really have a strong appetite. 349 times 2 is $6.98. So you might be eating for $7 a day with this, which is a pretty good deal. That's $210 a month. So there you go. This is a good recipe. It doesn't taste too bad, and it's not expensive. Now, you might notice that I didn't talk a lot about flavoring. Well, the recipe that I took this from called for a lot of other vegetables to be thrown in there, like onions and carrots. They also ask for lime juice. I ignored that stuff. That is not essential to this recipe. You can throw in whatever vegetables and fruits or fruit juices that you want to tailor this to the taste you like. But keep in mind, fruits and vegetables are expensive. So that's part of the reason why I didn't throw them out. I wanted this to be a low-cost meal. So I hope you give this a try, and I hope you like it. If you have any questions, post it in the comments below, and I'll try to help you out. Have a good day. Goodbye.